how to change your Facebook name in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is click on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and you have to click on the settings and privacy, and then you can go to the settings, and here you can see the update your personal information. Here you can say update your name or phone number. So we have to update name, so click on the name, and here you can see, and in the note you can see the you can't change it again for 60 days, so don't use unusual capitalization. So you have to I want to change this one, so I leave it Hare Ram. So if you want to change if you done your if you write your type your profile name, so what you have to do is click on the review change, and so your profile name is changed, your Facebook name is changed, so click on the review change, and here you can see it. To save this setting you have to enter your Facebook password, so you have to enter your Facebook password, and here, and after entering your Facebook password you have to click on the save change, and your Facebook name is updated. So that's basically it, that how you can change your Facebook name in 2021. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and also comment below that this video is helpful. Have a good day.